Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are taking an objective look at ALGO Nova EA V6 Plus, and it's an automated trading system developed by ALGO Nova EA. Will be working directly through their official website, breaking down its feature set, version packages, installation workflow, and reviewing the reported live results displayed directly on their page. So starting right at the top of the home page, the developer clearly establishes that ALGO Nova EA V6 Plus supports both MT4 and MT5 platforms. Looking at the device accessibility, the site highlights support across Android, iPhone, and PC setups. The headline positions the system around AI-powered chart analysis to execute automated trades. All right. Moving down to the gallery section labeled live results, the website displays several client screenshots and metric highlights. For instance, one screenshot notes a run moving an account from 1,500 rands to over 40,000 on US 30 within a day. Apparently, another snapshot reflects an R8000 profit on US 30 after hitting the take profit level. While the third testimonial highlights a regular Monday trade sequence resulting in a 3,000 ZAR withdrawal on XAU USD. Below the results section, the site outlines a five-step onboarding workflow. It starts with selecting a version, making a secure payment via EFT for South African clients or USDT or Skrill for international clients, uploading proof of payment, connecting over WhatsApp for order confirmation, and completing a guided installation before going live. Now, continuing into the core features section, the developer details the underlying functionality. The core element highlighted is the AI chart scanner, which is described as reading market structure, momentum, and price action in real time rather than using random signals. From an execution standpoint, the documentation notes that the scanner detects candlestick patterns and trend shifts, continuously scans for setups, and automatically calculates entries, stop loss, and take profit parameters. All right, scrolling down to the pricing and version tiers, all versions operate on a 1-year license model and explicitly support both MT4 and MT5 platforms. The Android tier is priced at 1,500 rands or $250 per year. The iPhone tier is listed at 2,000 rands or $300 per year and includes priority setup. And the PC tier is offered at 3,500 rands or $500 per year with multi-broker support. Below the pricing tables, the developer includes a separate service for traders interested in launching their own branded trading bot, priced at 20,000 rands total with a 14,000 rand deposit. This package includes custom mobile apps for Android and iOS, 1,000 license keys, and a sellable PC version. Further down the page, we emphasizes the post-payment process, specifying that installation involves a direct video call setup with a support team member. The package details specify that one license is tied to one trading account for 1 year, includes free installation, supports all Forex pairs via the AI chart scanner, works on both MT4 and MT5, and includes lifetime updates within your specific version alongside WhatsApp support. All right. Okay, so moving to the checkout section, local South African clients can pay via EFT to Capitec Bank under the account name ALGO EA, while international users select crypto or Skrill. All right. When evaluating these highlighted results and screenshots, it is important to remember that these figures reflect specific individual account outcomes and promotional testimonials. You know, they are based on historical performance and should not be interpreted as a guarantee of future results. Actual live trading results can vary widely depending on market conditions, broker spreads, execution, speed, lot sizing, and risk management parameters. All right. So this is the checkout page. Okay. In conclusion, AlgoNova EA V6 Plus offers an accessible multi-platform automated solution for traders looking for AI-driven chart scanning on MT4 and MT5 across mobile and desktop devices. All right. So it's structured. Let's just head back to the home page. It's structured video call onboarding, and WhatsApp support, makes it easy to get started. However, market volatility and trading risks remain constant regardless of the tool used. So I encourage every trader to exercise due diligence, test thoroughly in a demo environment, and carefully manage risk before committing live capital. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.